Tools and platforms for developing AI influencers in 2024. AI-powered content creation tools. 1. DeepMotion, AI-generated content creator for social media, videos, and live streams. 2. Lumen 5, AI-powered video creation platform that turns text into engaging videos. 3. Prisma, AI-powered photo and video editing app that turns images into artworks. Virtual influencer platforms. 1. Hugging Face, AI-powered platform for creating and managing virtual influencers. 2. Influencer Marketing Hub, platform for discovering and managing virtual influencers. 3. Virtue, AI-powered platform for creating and managing virtual influencers. Social media management tools. 1. Hootsuite, social media management platform that allows scheduling and automation of AI-generated content. 2. Sprout Social, social media management platform that integrates with AI-powered content creation tools. 3. Buffer, social media management platform that allows scheduling and automation of AI-generated content. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. 1. Dialogflow, Google's AI-powered chatbot platform for building conversational interfaces. 2. ManyChat, popular chatbot platform for building conversational interfaces with AI-powered chatbots. 3. Microsoft Bot Framework, Microsoft's AI-powered chatbot platform for building conversational interfaces. AI-powered influencer marketing platforms. 1. AspireIQ, AI-powered influencer marketing platform that matches brands with relevant influencers. 2. Upfluence, AI-powered influencer marketing platform that discovers and manages influencers. Grin, AI-powered influencer marketing platform that helps brands manage influencer campaigns. Virtual reality, VR and augmented reality, AR tools. 1. Alohomora, VR/AR platform for creating immersive experiences with AI-powered influencers. 2. MetaHuman, VR/AR platform for creating realistic human avatars with AI-powered personalities. 3. Wave VR, VR/AR platform for creating immersive experiences with AI-powered influencers.